Setting up your project sheet. Start by creating a new sheet or using an existing project sheet. Your sheet must include the following columns for the Gantt view to work correctly. Task name, for the description of the work. Start date, when a task begins. End date, when a task is due to finish. Duration, the length of time for the task. Smartsheet can calculate this if you enter the start and end dates. Predecessors. This links tasks together, e.g., Task B cannot start until Task A finishes. Percent complete, to track progress. Make sure the dates are in a consistent date format. Enabling and locating the Gantt view. Look at the toolbar on the left side of your screen. You'll see three main view icons: Grid, Card, and Gantt. Click the Gantt view icon to switch from the standard spreadsheet view to the visual chart. If your sheet doesn't automatically display the chart, you may need to enable the project settings. Click the Gantt chart icon, then click the project settings icon, often a gear icon, in the right-hand panel. Here, you'll confirm that the dependencies feature is turned on and that your correct start date, end date, and duration columns are selected. Reading and customizing your chart. The left side is your standard sheet data, the task name, dates, and other columns. The right side is the visual Gantt chart, which displays a timeline. Key visual elements. Bars. Each task is represented by a bar on the timeline, with the bar's length corresponding to the duration. Dependency lines. These are the arrows that visually connect one task bar to another, showing the predecessor relationships. Milestones. Tasks with a 0 duration appear as a diamond shape. Today's date. A vertical red line on the chart shows the current date. Quick customization. You can easily zoom in or out on the timeline using the controls at the top of the chart to view days, weeks, months, or years. Drag the edge of a taskbar to quickly change its end date and update the duration in the grid. Click and drag a taskbar to move the entire task forward or backward on the timeline. Double-click a taskbar to open the Edit Row window for detailed adjustments. Adding a new task and setting a dependency. To add a new task, simply type the task name in the next blank row in the grid view on the left. Enter the start date and end date. To create a dependency, in the new task's predecessors column, enter the row number of the task that must be completed before this new task can begin. For example, if Install Roof is in row 5 and must follow Build Frame in row 4, you'd enter 4 in the predecessors column of the Install Roof row. Watch the chart on the right. A dependency arrow will immediately appear, and the taskbar will shift to follow the predecessor. This is the foundation for creating, tracking, and managing projects visually in Smartsheet.